How to save an Excel sheet as a PDF without cutting it off. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fit your entire sheet onto one PDF page. First, open your Excel worksheet. Click File in the top left corner. Then select Print. Under the printer options, choose Microsoft Print to PDF or another Print to PDF option available on your computer. Now, look for the scaling option. Click it and select Fit Sheet on one page. This will shrink the worksheet so that the entire sheet fits onto a single PDF page. If your worksheet is very wide, change the orientation from portrait to landscape. Check the print preview to make sure your rows and columns aren't being cut off. Once everything looks good, click Print. A File Explorer window will appear. Choose where you want to save the PDF, enter a file name, and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Excel sheet as a PDF without cutting off the content. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful Excel tips and tutorials.